Hey, what's up, Polygon holders? So Polygon holders are doing very big mistake, and the current condition absolutely gonna be very critical now. And a main reason is that my brothers today fails down because especially short-term investor they're starting failings down. Then what is the mistake, my brother, of holders which are doing in the current condition and this in the same time very highly, my brother? The mistake and the my friends of holder is that you can see this time the change occur last 1 hour just positive, but the last 1 day, the last 7 days all change occur will be negative. So what's the main reason today fails down? I will tell you, my brother, but kindly before I get started this video, I have a request to subscribe this channel if you are new and press the bell icon for more this type of informative videos. Please like and subscribe. Alright, let's come to the point. So my friends, after we check out, my friends, just in only, my friend, let's see, my friend, the chart of Polygon to what's going on this time and the last 3 days. So you can see here this time absolutely they fail us down hour by hour, day by day, minute by minute. The main reasons, there are two main big reasons, my friend. The one main big reason is that, my friends, especially short-term investor, they are starting selling. So definitely if a holder starting selling, then absolutely they fail us down more and more, hour by hour, minute by minute. But the second mistake is also very big, my friend, and the second mistake is that to when a holder starting selling, then definitely they fails down like a rocket, and the start of month every cryptocurrency fails down, so therefore they fails down. Kindly hope you understand, my brother. Please share your opinion in the comment box. My opinion is to hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.